Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 3.1 question number 9. Valanmadi sold her pearl set for rupees 30,000 at profit of rupees 5,000. Find the cost price of the pearl set. Okay.
In this word problem, they are given Valanmadi sold her pearl set for rupees 30,000. Okay, 30,000. So here selling price rupees, selling price rupees 30,000. 30,000. Okay, 30,000. And profit of rupees 5,000. Profit. So here profit equal to rupees 5,000. 5,000. Okay. And then um, what we have to find? Find the cost price of the pearl set. Find the cost price of the pearl set. Here they are given selling price and profit. Already we know about the profit formula. What is the profit formula? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. So here, now alternate the formula, we get the cost price. Okay. So alternate the formula. So here we need cost price. So cost price equal to selling price minus profit. Selling price minus profit. Okay. So selling price value rupees 30,000. So rupees 30,000. 30,000 minus profit rupees 5,000. 5,000. Okay. So here we subtract 5,000 from 30,000. Okay. 5,000 from 30,000. 30,000 we get 30,000 minus 5,000 rupees 25,000. 25,000. Therefore, cost price equal to 25,000. So 25,000. Okay.
Next we are move on to question number 11. A man buys a chair for rupees 1500. He wants to sell it at a profit of rupees 250. After making a discount of rupees 100, what is the marked price, that is MP, of the chair? Okay.
In this problem, they are given a shopkeeper buys three articles. Shopkeeper buys three articles. So here they are given the cost price value. So cost price equal to cost price of three articles. Cost price of three articles. Cost price of three articles rupees 125, 450 and 510. Okay, so here we are adding all these values. Okay, here we are adding these values, so we get rupees 325 plus rupees 450 plus rupees 510. Okay, so we get rupees 1,285. 1,285. Okay, so cost price of three articles rupees 1,285. And then he is able to sell them for rupees 350, 425 and 525. So here the selling price. So selling price of three articles. Selling price of three articles. So selling price of three articles rupees 350 plus rupees 425 25 plus rupees 525. So adding all these values, so we get 350 plus 425 plus 525, we get 1300. So selling price of three articles rupees 1300. Okay, 1300. What we have to find? Find the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole. Find the gain or loss. Here gain is similar word of profit. Okay, gain is the similar word of profit. So here we have to find the profit or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole. Okay, first compare the cost price and the selling price. Cost price and the selling price. So here cost price value 1285. So here selling price value 1300. Okay, which one is higher? Absolutely, selling price value is higher. Okay, selling price value is higher. So if selling price is greater than cost price, then it is a profit. So then it is a profit. Then it is a profit. So here we need the profit formula. Already we know about the profit formula. So what is the profit formula? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So here selling price value 1300. So here
Now we are
selling
move
price
on to
value
exercise 3.2. Here we are going to see about the exercise 3.2 question number 1. The question is, a shopkeeper buys 3
So
articles
here
for rupees
subtract
325,
1300 minus
450 and
1285.
510.
We
He is
get
able to sell them for rupees
we get
350,
rupees
425 and
50.
525
So
respectively.
profit
Find the
equal
gain
to
or loss to the
rupees
shopkeeper on the
50.
whole.
Therefore, the shopkeeper gain gain rupees 15. Rupees 15. Okay. In this problem, they are given a man bought 400 meter of cloth for rupees 60,000. Okay, a man bought. So here the cost of 400 meter of cloth equal rupees 60,000. So cost of 400 meter of cloth. 400 meter of cloth equal to rupees 60,000. 60,000. Cost of 400 meter of cloth equal to rupees 60,000. Therefore, CP equal to rupees 60,000. Rupees 60,000. And sold it at the rate of rupees 400 per meter. Okay, per meter. Listen carefully, children. Here they are given per meter rupees 400. Per meter rupees 400. So here a man bought 400 meter. 400 meter. So here we have to find we get the selling. So here we need the 400 meter of cloth. So here we need the 400. So here we need selling price of 400 meter of cloth. Okay, cloth. So here we need selling price of 400 meter of cloth. Per meter equal to 400. So here a man bought 400 meter. So 400 meter multiple by 400 meter multiple by per meter equal to 400 rupees. So 400. 400 multiple by 400. 400 multiple by 400 we get 1,60,000. So here we get 1,60,000 rupees, 1,60,000. Therefore, selling price equal to rupees 1,60,000. Okay. And here, what we have to find? Find his profit or loss. So find his profit or loss. First, compare the CP and SP. Okay. CP and SP. CP equal to rupees 60,000 and SP equal to rupees 1,60,000. So here, which one is higher? Definitely SP is higher. If SP is greater than CP, it is the profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price value 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Cost price value 60,000. So here 1,60,000 minus 60,000 we get. Subtract 1,60,000 minus 60,000. Okay. Subtract 60,000 from 1,60,000 we get 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh. Rupees 1 lakh. So here profit equal to